A power extension cable is a length of flexible electrical power cable with a plug and one or more socket on the other end. Extension cords come in various colors, lengths, thicknesses and service duties. In general, the more power needed by the appliance, the thicker the cord needs to be, meaning larger wires inside. They are commonly used at homes and small businesses for power extension purposes. Today I will be showing you on how to fix them when damaged, hence saving you the cost. But before that, sub to the channel will be fantastic. Before working on it, disconnect the cord from the outlet. Make sure it is completely unplugged before repairing. This is to avoid electrical shocks. Start by opening the top plug. I'm using my tester to do it. In your case, use the appropriate tool. Remember, working with correct tools makes work easier and fast. Inside the top plug we have 3 cables connected: life, neutral and earth. A fuse is an electrical safety device that operates to provide overcurrent protection. Essential component is a metal wire or strip that melts when too much current flows. In many cases these fuses get burned. When found burned due to overcurrent, replace them. In our case this fuse is not burned. Check whether the cable connectors are loose or burned too. Connectors seems to be fine. Now let's proceed to the cable. Electrical cables are used to connect 2 or more devices, enabling the transfer of electrical signals or power. Many times these cables get damaged. When found damaged, change them. In our case the cable is fine. Now let's proceed to the extension socket connection. The connection seems to be fine. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.